Hello everyone, my name is Ashlin D'Souza और आप देख रहे हो Ashlin Explains. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let us download and install Microsoft Office 2024 for free. Go to your browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Click on the first link. Then select the configuration. Mine is 64-bit. Scroll down. For Office Suites, click on Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Scroll down and keep the others as it is. Click on Next. For language, choose the language you want. I will choose English. Scroll down, click on Next. Scroll down, Next again. From here, uninstall any MSI versions. Turn it off. Scroll down, click on Next. Then scroll down, again Next, and then Finish. This is the configuration that we generated. Export it. Choose Office Open XML format. Click on OK. Accept the terms and license and export. Then save it. The configuration now is downloaded. Next, open a new tab. Search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the first link and download it. Save. Office Deployment Tool is also downloaded. Now open the folder where your files are downloaded. These are the two files that we downloaded. Create a new folder and name it as Office 2024. Now select both of the files, enter the folder, Ctrl V. You have to paste it in the folder that we just made. Right-click on Office Deployment Tool, run as administrator. Click on Yes, accept the terms, and continue. Choose the folder that we just created and click on OK. The files are extracted successfully. Now go back, cut the folder, Ctrl X, and paste it in C drive. There are some commands that we must run for this to work. Go to your Start button, search for command prompt, run as administrator. Click on Yes. I will give you the commands in the description. Copy the first command. Click on the icon here, edit, paste, and enter. Next, select the second command, copy it, and again edit and paste it. Click on enter. Now your Microsoft Office is going to download and install successfully. You might have to wait for a while. When the downloading has started, you will find a window like this. Wait for a while. It will be installed. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel.